Hello, welcome to our channel, Strong Foundation Spanish Lessons. This is Teresa.
And this is Francisco. The objective of this series is to learn how to correctly pronounce words in Spanish to better speak and read it. We'll practice with short sentences where the consonant we are studying today will be at the beginning, middle, and/or at the end of the word.
By learning the basics, you will gradually learn how to read words correctly and better implement them into your Spanish lessons.
In this video, we will learn how to combine the consonant B with the 5 vowels.
We recommend watching the series from the beginning, starting with our video on the alphabet in Spanish. The link is in the description.
Now, we will learn how to combine the consonant B with the 5 vowels.
Listen and then repeat the consonant B in Spanish. Ready? B. Again. B. Great job! Now, let's combine the consonant B with the vowels. Repeat after me. Ba. B. B. Bo. Bu. Great job! Now, let's read a sentence where we'll find the syllable ba. Like in barra. La barra de chocolate tiene pasas.
The chocolate bar has raisins.
Next, repeat after me. B. Again. B. Very good. Let's read a sentence where we'll find the syllable B, like in bebé. El bebé está feliz.
The baby is happy. And if you liked the video so far, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to turn on notifications.
If you know someone is having trouble learning Spanish, please share this video. Next, repeat after me. B. Again. B. Great job! Let's read a sentence where we'll find syllable B. Like in biblioteca. La biblioteca es enorme.
The library is huge.
Now, repeat after me. Bo. Again. Bo. Nice job! Let's read a sentence where we'll find syllable bo. Like in boda. La boda será inolvidable.
The wedding will be unforgettable.
Next, bu. Repeat after me. Bu. Again, bu. Well done! Let's read a sentence where we'll find syllable bu. Like in buzón. El buzón está lleno.
The mailbox is full. That'll be all for today.
And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button below and click the bell icon to turn on notifications. You don't want to miss any of our new videos. We'll be uploading one video per week. Hasta la próxima!